Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp with voice call problem on iPhone. If you are using on WhatsApp in your iPhone and you're facing any kind of voice call problem, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing is that you just have to check your network connection, that you have a stable and a strongest network connection on your iPhone. Once you have done this, go back from here, open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN device management. And you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. Once you have disconnected your VPN, just go back from here and go to software update. I recommend you have to also try to update your software if there will be any iOS software glitch, or if you will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or you have to go to your app section, just go back, go to app section here, just to look for WhatsApp app. And here you just have to look for the access for your WhatsApp app. You can see that you have to enable these toggles. Once you have enabled these toggles, you have to go back and go to your app store, go for search and search for WhatsApp. And you just have to make sure that your WhatsApp app is up to date. This non-dependent update for your WhatsApp app. If you find, just try to update your app. After updating, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so I recommend you have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, you have to quickly press release the volume up and volume down. Then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to make a call to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, there's the only way. You have to simply go to your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage here, just look for WhatsApp app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps in case of offloading of deleting. So if there will be any bug or any malware into your WhatsApp app, it will be fixing this step and will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.